Do you know why 50 users can crash your server but 2 never did? Does your Node.js app work perfectly on localhost, but the moment you push it to production, everything suddenly feels slow? You test it locally, open 2 browsers, maybe even log in with 2 users, click around. Everything is instant, no lag, no weird behavior. Then you deploy it, and your client says something like, "Hey, the website is slow." And you're sitting there like, how? The problem is that you are blocking the event loop in JavaScript. Now, there's something about Node.js that I think is really worth understanding properly, because it changes how you think about writing server-side code. Node.js runs on a single thread. That means there's one event loop handling everything. Every request that comes in, every response that goes out, all of it. Think of it like a single cashier managing a queue. The moment that cashier gets stuck on one customer, everyone else waits. There's no one else to step in. So when you write something like readFileSync inside a route handler, that's exactly what you're doing. You're blocking the cashier. Node can't touch the next request until that file is fully read. And what makes this frustrating is that your app won't tell you something is wrong. No crash, no error. It just starts getting slower as more requests pile up. And that's exactly why this mistake is so easy to miss. So the fix is actually straightforward. Instead of readFileSync, we use the async version. We await the file read, which tells Node, go ahead and handle other requests while this is happening. The event loop stays free. And that's the key insight here. Async code doesn't make your file read faster. The file takes the same amount of time. What changes is that Node is no longer sitting there waiting for it. If this is something you struggle with, like the video for part 2.